Hey everybody, in part 4 of my back to school Schoology tips, let's see how you can use the annotation assignment to get students annotating images, PDFs, and more without having to download and re-upload files. To set this up, you're going to add materials from Schoology, then go to assignments and enter all of your basic information as normal. You're then going to choose Annotation Assignment, where you can upload a number of different file types, including images, docs, or PDFs. You're going to navigate to the file that you want to upload on your computer and then choose Open. Finish entering all of those specific due dates, points. If you need to assign it to individual students, do that, and then press Create. From the student view, they are going to select the assignment that they need to do, and then they're going to choose Start Assignment. Once they start the assignment, they're going to have a variety of tools that they can use to edit the PDF. If the PDF is already editable, they'll just be able to click in the boxes and start typing. If not, they can add text boxes and even highlighting and different drawings. When they're finished, they press Submit. As a teacher, you'll be able to review the submissions and score just like you would any other assignment. This is a great tool for all those pesky PDFs that drives us nuts, or for articles that you want students to annotate, or images that you might need them to label. There's a lot of different uses for this and a lot of different subjects that you can use it for. So I hope you try it and let me know how it goes.